What's up, guys? Here we are in British Columbia, Canada. We're about to be going down the slopes in a little bit and show you guys some real nice clips of coming down the mountain following a skier and a snowboarder. But to start off with, wow, it's freezing. You can see my breath out here, but that's how you can tell it's like 22 degrees. You can see how face track is on right now. Face track allows you to move the camera, and then the gimbal camera is going to follow your face, which is absolutely insane. So you vloggers out there, make sure you guys check this out. First link in the description. I'm going to link this DJI Osmo Pocket. It's retail price on DJI.com for $349, which is insane. This audio, as you can hear right now, it's crystal clear. So in a second here, we're going to show you guys some clips, some cinematic clips of coming down the mountain, following a snowboarder and a skier down the mountain. And we're going to be using the active tracker. It's kind of like this feature right here. We're going to use a couple features, tilt locked, and then some scanning shots in active track coming down the mountain, and then just show you guys some cinematic edits that you can do with this incredible device here. And so with that being said, let's just roll those clips.